Alrighty, folks, here you go. The GoPro Media Mod for a GoPro 13. Should be backward compatible all the way to the 9. But just in case, I still have one that I use for my 9 and my 11. This thing is great. It's been outdoors, mild mist, but no heavy rains, just so you know. Okay, we're gonna do the opening. Ready? Oh, denied. Denied. All right, here we go. Yeah. Excuse me while I clear my throat. Flip this over in the right direction. Nothing left in the box. Media Mod book. Limited lifetime warranty. Handy dandy muff to black out the wind. Because some days, man, let me tell you, this has been good for the bicycle. I'm not sure how one more time. I am not sure how well it works for you motorcycle people. Got the handy dandy knob. Handy dandy buckle. These things are pretty awesome. I like that they're extended. Very useful, especially for your chesty. These, the ones you want. Trying to get this out of here without destroying it. Should be nothing else in the box. Away with you. All right. And here we are, folks. Brand new. Charge your video. One more time. Let me double check. Well, one is charge, one is video, and that is audio. All right. Pretty easy to open. Come over here. Pull it down. That opens up. You pop off this little door, just like I did here for the GoPro 9. And this is what you look like at the end of the day. Of course, this is with the Media Mod for the 9, but yours will look the same, yet different, for the GoPro 13 with the Media Mod. But that'll fit in there real nice. So enjoy your purchase, my friends. Things are about to sound a whole lot different.